Hello traders, Vladimir here, and I have some big announcement to share with you today. So what it is about in a moment, but before that, the last several months there was a repeating request from you guys, from YouTube and all the other social medias, emails to support team and so on. Where could you engage with me in an easy way and a very helpful way to discuss trading, geopolitical events, fundamental news, data, everything related to trading. So on the last several weeks, I've been working on designing that exactly for you, the community, our trading community. And I was invited to be part of Slice App IO, where you will be able to find me directly. What's coming inside and what is the Slice App IO? Slice App IO, it's a trading zone. There are different mentors, tons of members from all around the world, different market analysis, trades, education, exclusive content, and so much more. And I am honored to say that I was invited to be one of their leaders and mentors. So you would find me inside there. And what will you get there? Trades, more trades, and even more trades. Real education, real strategies, videos, market analysis. As I mentioned before, direct engagement with myself. I am there for you. I am very excited to join a winning team and be part of this fantastic project, and I welcome you to follow me and to enjoy a unique exclusive access to exclusive project. The link to join is right below this video in the description. I would also put that for you in the pinned comment. And a very special one for the launch, Slice App IO offers a very special promo. Find the promo code with the link below this video in the description, and you will see there different packages to join and to follow us there. I'll see you inside.